Hello friends, welcome to Sahu Studies. In this video, we are going to discuss about split function in Scala. So what split function generally does? Split function is used to create a column of array type by splitting a string by delimiter. So what does it means? It means that if you have a string or if you have a column of a string type and if you want to split the string with the help of a delimiter, so the resulting data would be of array type and we can able to split the string with the help of a split function. So this exercise is all about splitting the string with the help of a string and create a column of array type. So what I am just doing in this exercise, I am just importing all the required libraries. I am creating a variable which is going to hold the data and I am just creating this holding the data with the help of a sequence. I am storing three objects in it. And you can see there is an element which has a string which is separated by comma. Here this string is separated by comma. This string also it is separated by comma. Now with the help of spark.parallelize function, by passing the object which has the data, this object, I am creating a RDD. On top of the RDD, I am calling 2D function and supplying three columns name over there. One is AP ID, second is AP full name, second is AP salary, and creating this data frame. Once the data frame gets created, on top of the data frame with the help of a with column function, I am creating a column AP split first name. And how this column data is going to populate? It is populate with the help of a split function. And on which column I am splitting the data? I am splitting AP full name column and the delimiter would be comma. And once this data frame gets created, I am just displaying the data with the help of data frame with the help of a display function. So I have also captured it. Okay, I have also captured the output. So this is the full name. This full name is Santosh comma Dorsa, which is coming from here. Whenever I am just splitting here, splitting with the help of delimiter, comma delimiter. So the resulting column, this one, it is of the array type and the value is storing like this. So let's see how generally it works in Databricks. Let's create a notebook. Rename it split. Connect this notebook with our running cluster. Now let's copy the code to import all the required variables, all the required libraries. All the required libraries are now available in this notebook. Let's create a variable which will going to hold the data. How we are going to hold the data? We are going to hold the data with the help of a sequence. And in this sequence, I am just storing three objects. This is the first object. This is second. This is third. Let's change some value. Okay, I'm making some mistake. So this is closing here. This is closing here, and this is closing here. Let's run it. This variable has been defined successfully. I'm storing 3 objects in it. Each object has a string element which is separated by comma. Let's create a RDD with the help of this object. How we are going to create RDD? With the help of a parallelize function and by passing the object which is holding the data. Now this data RDD object has been created successfully. Let's create a data frame. How we are going to create data frame? With the help of a create data frame function by passing this RDD. This data frame do not have column, so let's create a column. So to df function again it's creating the data frame, and here we are just passing all the names of the column APID and third is salary. So this data frame has been created successfully. Let's see the content with the help of a display function. Now we can see this data frame has been created successfully, and AP full name has a string which is separated by comma. Now see how split function works, right? So let me create another data frame. How I'm going to split it? First I am just creating a new column, and the name of the column is AP split full name. And how this column will going to populate? It will going to populate with the help of a split function. And which column we are going to split? We are going to split AP underscore full name. Based on column. Let's run it. So this data frame has been created successfully. So what I have done here, on top of this data frame, with the help of a with column function, I am creating this column, and I am populating this column with the help of split function. So we are with the help of a split function, which column I am splitting? I am splitting at the full name with the delimiter comma. So this data frame has been created successfully. Let's see the content of this data frame. We can see new column which is getting created AP split full name. If we see this data, uh, this is of array type, means the data is storing in the form of array. So we have seen here how we can use split function. So split function generally used to split a string based on a delimiter, and the resulting column would be of array type. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.